Hello, welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we are going to discuss a very interesting example in word problem of linear equation, which is related to profit and loss. That means cost price and selling price. So, what we have learnt in 8th class, isn't it? How to find the profit, how to find the cost price. You see, suppose SP is given. Okay, suppose SP is given. SP is given 700 rupees and CP you bought for that same for 600. So, what is your profit? Here is profit because you bought for 600 and you are selling for 700. That means you are getting more money. When you are getting more money, that is your profit. So, profit equals to profit equals to SP minus CP. That means 700 minus 600. That means 100 rupees profit we got it. Suppose you bought the same thing, suppose pen or something you bought for 700. After few months you want to sell it. Your friend says, oh, this is very let's say 600 only. CP is how much? 600 you bought, and you say, no, I want to sell it. Since it is old, your friend will say, I will give 400 only. So, that is your SP. SP is 400. Now, here the CP is more, then CP minus SP. Then you got what? Loss, because you bought for 600 and you sell for 400. That means 200 is your loss. 600 minus CP is 600, SP is 400, that is your 200 is your loss. Okay. So, like this you can find the loss and profit also you can find it out. Similarly, suppose we know the formula, profit and loss formula. What is SP? To calculate selling price of a thing, what you do? Cost price into, suppose in case of profit. In case of profit, SP equals to EP into 100 plus profit percent, okay, upon profit percent upon 100. This is the formula we learnt in 8th class. Similarly, in case of loss, what is that? Loss equals to, in case of loss, so SP equals to CP into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. So, if you know these two formulas, from this you can find out SP, you can find out CP. Suppose SP is given, if he is asking CP, you put X and you can find it out. Suppose by suppose CP, you know selling price. Suppose you sold a pen for 50 rupees. Okay. Cost price you don't know X, but you got how much? 10 rupees profit. So, profit percent is 10. So, 100 plus 10, that is 110 upon 100, that equals to 50 equals to 110 X upon 100. So, now you will multiply 110 X equals to 100 into 50, X equals to 110. So, you will calculate this way. So, anything, if you know CP, you can put SP as X and you can find out whatever it may be. Okay. So, these are the two formulas and that one you have to know it. Now, let us see. He is saying that Jamila sold a table. She sold a table and a chair for how much? 1050 rupees. Okay. And thereby she made a profit 10% on the table and 25% on the chair. And second case, second scenario is that if she had taken a profit of 25% on the table, before she got 10% on the table, but now second case 25% on the table and 10% on the chair. In the earlier scenario, what? She got 25% on the chair, but here 10% on the chair. Then she would have got 1065 rupees. She is getting 15 rupees more. Then find the cost price of each. Find the cost price of chair and the cost price of the table. So, we do not know. So, let us write what? Let the cost price, CPI I am writing, cost price of table equals to X and the CP of chair equals to Y. Okay. Now, what is saying? He is saying, so together the selling price of table and selling price of chair, she is getting how much? 1050 rupees she is getting selling price. So, how to find out selling price? What is our formula? Selling price equals to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. So, let us put what is our selling price? We do not know. CP we know, X we know. So, selling price let us take selling price of what? Selling price of table plus SP of chair. This is the question you got, first case, isn't it? Now, SP of table let us take out. SP of table equals to CP into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. Now, SP of table is equals to CP को हम क्या लिए थे? X लिए, X plus 100 and table how much he is getting? 25%. He is getting thereby profit 10% on the table. 10%, 110, 100 plus 10, 100 plus 10 upon 100 is your SP. Okay. Now you got it. Now we got SP of table. Now let us go for the, that is what he is saying, isn't it? So, now SP profit percent, yeah. So, 110 upon 100 X हो गया. Now, SP of chair, let us take chair, that equals to CP is how much? Y into 100 plus profit is how much? 25 upon 100, that equals to Y into 125 upon 100. Okay. Now, 100 together 110 upon 100 X plus 125 upon 100 Y equals to 1050. This is the condition of first. So, to make it easy, we are not going to deduct it, 0 0 we are not going to cancel it, yeah, 125 upon 100, because this one will be better. 110 X plus 125 Y equals to 1050 into 100. This 100 we have taken that other side. How? 1 upon 100 you take, then this becomes 110 X plus 125 Y equals to 1050. Now 110 means this has gone the other side, that is why 100. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया. ये हो गया हमारा फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. Then our second equation. Okay. Now what is our second equation? Second equation is what? Again he is vice versa. So, SP of second case, SP of table equals to X into 125. Now, in second case 125 upon 100. Okay. Then SP of chair vice versa. So, X into 110 upon 100. So, together how much? 125 upon 100 x plus 110 upon 100 y equals to 1065. Okay, again you take out 1 upon 100 as a common, and 125 x plus 110 y equals to 1065. Now 125 x plus 110 y equals to 1065 into 1 upon 10, that is 100 upon 1. Now this is our second equation. Got it? From these two equations we shall do by elimination method. Okay. Now 120, first is what? 110 x plus 125 y equals to 105000. Okay. Then second equation, 125 x plus 110 y equals to 106500. This is our first equation. This is our second equation. Now you see the coefficient of x in first equation is equals to coefficient of y in second equation. The coefficients are exchanged. So in this case what we have to do? By elimination method we shall do it. By elimination method, okay. So in this method what we are doing? So adding both the equations, adding equation 1 and 2. So 110x plus 125y is equals to 105000. Okay, another one is what? 125x plus 110y equals to 106500. Now adding, so just you add it. This has become 532. 235x plus 235y is equals to 005. This is 6 112. Now take the common 235. Now remain what? X plus y equals to 211500. Okay. Now x plus y equals to 211500 upon this 235 will come here. So now this one will go by 9. So 9 5s are 45, 4 9 3s are 27, 31 3, 9 2s are 18, 19 20 21. Yeah, 900. That means 900. This is our third equation. Now what we shall do? Subtracting. Okay, subtract. Now another one. Now subtract second equation from first. Okay. Now this has become what? 110x plus 125y equals to 10500. This is 125x plus 110y equals to 106500. Okay. Now subtracting, sign will change. Let's do. This is minus, this is also minus, this is also minus. Now this one will become minus x and minus 25, 5, 10, 15, minus 15, minus 15x plus 15y equals to 0 and then 5. Okay, so this is bigger, that's why this is minus. Okay, now let's make positive this one. So multiply by this, minus 15x minus 15y equals to 1500. Okay, now let's x minus y. ओके, सो x माइनस 15 को कॉमन ले लेंगे, है ना. ओके, नाउ लेट्स टेक द कॉमन. नाउ 15 विल टेक कॉमन. Here x minus y equals to 1500. This is our fourth equation. What is our third equation? Then x minus y equals to 1500. This 15 will come as here, so that equals to 100. So x minus y equals to 100. This is our fourth equation. What is our third equation? X plus y. Third equation is x plus y equals to 900. X plus y equals to 900. This is our third equation. And x minus y equals to 100. This is our fourth equation. By what? This cancels. Add karo. So gone. Then 2x equals to 1000. X equals to 1000 upon 2. That equals to 500. यहाँ क्या है? By adding. Okay, so now x substitute x in equation fourth कर देंगे. So x minus y equals to 100. x क्या है? 500. 500 minus y equals to 100 minus y equals to 100. This 500 will go this side, becomes minus 500. So minus y equals to minus 400. Y equals to 400. Y equals to 400. Therefore, what is the cost price? CP of table equals to 500. CP of chair equals to 400. समझ में आ गया? I hope you all understood. Now let's do the second question. Okay, now what is saying? On selling a TV at 5% gain and fridge at 10% gain, a shopkeeper gains 2000. But if he sells TV at 10% gain and fridge at 5% loss, he gains 1500 on that transaction. Find the actual prices of TV and fridge. This is also same. We know the formulas. What? SP equals to CP in case of profit, 100 plus profit percent upon 100. In case of, this is what? In case of profit. Okay, so in case of loss, what we are doing? SP equals to CP into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. Okay, this is what? In case of loss. Now these are the formulas. What? SP equals to CP into 100 plus profit upon 100. That is in case of profit. In case of loss, SP equals to, what we will do? CP into 100 minus loss percent of 100. That will be loss case. Okay, now let's see what is saying. On selling the TV at 5% gain, he is by selling the TV, he is getting how much? 5% gain. And fridge he sold, he got her how much? 10% gain. Total he is getting how? 2000 rupees. A shopkeeper gains, this is gain equals to 2000 rupees. And but if he sells the TV at 10% gain and fridge at 5% loss, here he is doing what? Loss, not gain. There in that first question, what? Both are gain, but here in second case he is getting less money. He is loss में उसको बेच दिया. So he gains how much? Still he is gaining how much? 1500 rupees on that transaction. Find the actual price of TV. Now what we shall do? Let the cost price of the TV equals to X, है ना? Cost price of the TV equals to X, and the cost price CP of fridge equal to Y. ठीक है। तो 5% ऑफ x प्लस 10% ऑफ y, isn't it? 5% of x plus 10% of y, that equals to कितना उसको मिला? He is getting 2000. Okay. Second case is gaining how much? 10%. 10% of x minus 5% of y equals to 1500. So now 10x minus 5y equals to 150000. Okay. Now you see, so second case he is getting loss, that's why. So this is the gain, gain minus loss, this is also gain only, that's why you did it. So 10x, this 100 we multiplied here. So this is our second equation. What is our first equation? First equation is this one is first equation. So 5x plus 10y, 5x plus 10y is equals to 2000 and 100, and second equation is 10x minus 5y equals to 150000. This is our second equation, this is our first equation. Now we want to eliminate y. So what we should do? Multiply second equation by 2 so that it will become 10. So 5x plus 10y equals to 2000, 2 zeros. This is you multiply by 10x minus 5y equals to 150000. Second equation we shall multiply by 2. Okay. So multiply 2. So first equation is what? 5x plus 10y equals to 2000, those zeros. Then after multiplying, this one will become 20x, 10 to are 20, 20x minus 10y equals to 15 to are 30, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now what we shall do? Adding, add करेंगे, adding. So now this is gets cancelled. So this becomes was 25x equals to 1 0 3 zeros 3 zeros 5. So x equals to 520, x equals to 5000, 2 zeros upon 25. So this one will get cancelled. 25 ones are 25 2s are 0 0 0 0. X equals to 20,000. Got it? Now we got it. X value, now we shall put in any equation. We can put in first equation, substitute x in. So 2 into 20,000 into 5, x का value 20,000 into 5 plus 10y equals to, ठीक है. So now 5 2s are 10, 1 2 3 4 plus 10y equals to 20, after that 4 zeros. ठीक है. अब 10y लेंगे तो इसको इस तरफ ले आएंगे, इसको इस तरफ ले आएंगे, तो 1 2 3 4 minus 10, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So 10y equal 1 2